Hi you guys, welcome to this week's grocery haul. I'm so excited to share with you everything I got for the week for my family. I was under budget this week, so that's so exciting for me. I was at $185.42. I like to keep it at around $200 per week for my family of four. So I'll share with you everything we're having, breakfast, lunches, dinners. I've started using this meal planning book that I shared with you a couple weeks ago. And oh my gosh, I love it so much. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I just love being super organized. So this meal planning book is just really awesome. I seriously love it. I got some questions on it last time. I'll put a link to it in the description box, but from Amazon. And I just love having everything written out, organized, what day we're having it. I could put like some other little notes in here on things we have going on. So I know exactly like how busy we are on what we're having. So really awesome book. Absolutely love it. Cannot highly recommend it enough. So check this out on Amazon if you're looking for a meal planning book that is just wonderful. I will share with you everything I got. I will share with you the meal plan of what we're having to give you some inspiration on some things to make for yourself and your families. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of grocery hauls and meal planning ideas for you. So let me show you everything I got for the week. Okay, so here are all of the groceries, under $200 this week. So I love that. Got everything that we need. So I will start over here. Lots of different like meats. Chicken breast, which we go through a ton of chicken breasts. I've been getting this ground turkey, and this is the 99% lean. It is actually really good. It's a little bit like kind of dry when you cook it, but you just add in whatever else you're making it with, and it is really good. I have been really liking it. So I got two to stock up. I'll put one in the freezer. I got some stew meat. I'll be doing a crock pot recipe with this. We were out of wheat thins, so I got this big family-sized box of wheat thins. I always get the reduced fat. I just think they're a lot better. Watermelon. If you've been around my channel, you know that I have been getting watermelon like every week for a while now. We have just been eating so much of it. I got some celery. I'm going to be doing a soup. I know it's super hot out still, but I have just been craving soups lately, and I love celery in soup. Lettuce, because it's been hot. Lots of salads as well. Some onion for some recipes. Lots of beans. I did a chili a couple weeks ago and kind of wiped out all the beans in our pantry. So lots of black beans, great northern beans, corn. I've got lentils over here, diced tomatoes, and some more corn over here. So stocking up with the pantry there. I got some of this sugar-free barbecue sauce, and I've gotten this before, and it is so good. And I love anything that is sugar-free because there's just so much extra sugar in everything nowadays. So try and find things that are sugar-free, and this one is delicious. So had to get some more of that. Beef broth. Some sugar-free orange Jell-O. We have been having quite a bit of Jell-O lately this summer. It's just really refreshing, and my kids love it. So we haven't had orange. We usually do strawberry or cherry. So just picked up this orange one to see how my kids like it. Back here is this lemon cake. And I got this really simple recipe for this lemon cake. It's going to have this lemon Greek yogurt in it. If you've been around my channel, you've seen my cake box mix hack videos. So I have another one of those videos coming up soon. So I'm going to be using that lemon cake mix for a cake, and I will show you that in my next cake box mix video. My favorite Caesar dressing, I always make sure I have plenty of this in the fridge. It is honestly hands down the best. Lighthouse brand. It's a super thick and delicious Caesar. My Better Than Bouillon, I've been doing a lot of crock pot meals, and I use Better Than Bouillon to make my chicken broth. Lots of bananas, some edamame. So this is just frozen, and you steam it in the bag. Really good. My kids love it. I love it. So we do edamame once a week normally. Riced cauliflower. I have been really trying to eat healthy, and I used to always get riced cauliflower. So I love it and had to get some of this. It's super duper easy. You just steam this in the bag. I've tried making my own riced cauliflower before and it just doesn't turn out the same. So this one's really good. Just steam it in the bag. I got some fajita seasoning, some taco seasoning for, I'm going to do some air fryer fajitas, and we do tacos all the time. But some air fryer fajitas, I will show you when I make those, of course. Some squash, a zucchini, and a yellow squash. Here's my bell peppers for the fajitas. I got a yellow and a green one back here. A bunch of avocados. We go through a lot of avocados. We go through a ton of apples, especially this summer. I mean, kids just are snacking up a storm. So one of their favorite snacks is apples. Another wonderful snack that we love is yogurt. So I got two different kinds. This Too Good vanilla yogurt is delicious. And then this is a plain Greek yogurt down here that I like as well. 2 things of almond milk. My husband uses these in his protein drinks. I just got a small regular milk this week because we had quite a bit left over from last week. So just a small little whole milk. This chicken apple sausage, these are so good. I have this with my eggs in the morning, but I'm also going to be doing a dinner recipe with it this week as well. My kids love it, so I got 2 of them, but really good. This is the chicken apple flavor, but they make a few different flavors, this brand does. And it's basically already cooked. You just kind of heat it up. So very easy. Absolutely love these. Salami, Zachary loves salami for his lunches. Sandwich thins for my husband's lunches that he packs for work. I got some tortilla chips. I'm going to do an air fryer nachos this week. So those will be delicious and I'm super excited. I've been using the air fryer a lot because it's been hot and I just love not turning the oven on, which is the best, and just love not heating the kitchen up with that oven. Some bread for my kids' sandwiches. Under here is a big box of eggs, 60 eggs. We go through a ton of eggs, so I've been buying them by this box lately, and it's just a better value, which I always love a good value. Blueberries and strawberries for the week. Lots of fruit, like I mentioned earlier. So these are the groceries of everything that we got. And then here is my book again. Has these little like tabs. So I will flip to this week here. And for lunches, I wrote down what I'm going to have. My favorite my breakfast first, 2 eggs. I do half of a chicken apple sausage and a quarter of an avocado. It's like my favorite breakfast. I could have it every single day and not get sick of it. My lunches, I'm going to do mason jar salad, and then I've been having a lot of tuna lately, and so that's what I'm going to have for lunch. For dinners, we have air fryer chicken fajitas, Taco Tuesday. Of course, my kids always ask me, like, is today Tuesday? We want to do Taco Tuesday. So Taco Tuesday, of course. Crock pot steak bites. I'm going to do air fryer chicken apple sausage and veggies on Thursday. Crock pot creamy ranch chicken on Friday. Cajun shrimp Caesar salad on Saturday. I have some shrimp in the freezer, so definitely I want to use that up, and I just love shrimp. And then air fryer nachos on Sunday. So that will all be delicious. So I hope that this grocery haul and meal plan gave you some inspiration on what to make for your dinners for this week. And like I said earlier, if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.